Hey, Cedar Rapids Wheelies here, just giving you guys an update on the bike. I got a new tank for it. It's Dankwheelie's old stunt tank from his f4i. It's a little dented up here and there. Just got it sanded down. Not looking too bad. Need to do a little work to it. My frame from Stunner X gets built this next month. And then I'll have to wait for that to show up, and it'll have an all new steel frame, new cage, all sorts of new stuff. Be like a brand new bike. But thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing.